Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie and I'm a paralegal here at One Law Chambers. In this video I'm going to be explaining the skilled worker visa category, what it is and how to get it. If you like this video then please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. The UK skilled worker visa category is a new points-based system which replaces the old Tier 2 general visa for working in the UK. This new scheme applies for both non-EU and EU nationals. The UK Home Office has published a list of occupations that qualify for the skilled worker visa route. These are usually high-ranking managerial positions or highly skilled professional occupations. Each qualifying job is assigned an occupation code, and the eligible job must be specified under the relevant occupation code in order to qualify for the skilled worker visa route. There are 4 stages of meeting the requirements for this type of visa: the validity requirement, the suitability requirement, the eligibility requirement, and the financial requirement. In order for your skilled worker visa application to be valid, the Home Office must be satisfied that you have applied using the proper prescribed form for the skilled worker visa, you are aged 18 or over at the time of the application, you have a certificate of sponsorship from a registered sponsor issued no more than 3 months before the date of your application, you've provided your passport or any other travel document which confirms your identity and nationality, you've provided any required biometrics, and you've paid the application fee and the immigration health charge fees. In order to meet the suitability requirements, your application must not fall for refusal under the general grounds for refusal under the immigration rules, and you must not be in breach of any immigration rules, and you cannot be an overstayer or on immigration bail. In order to meet the eligibility requirement for the skilled worker visa, you need to have achieved a score of 50 mandatory points and 20 tradable points, giving a total score of 70 points under the skilled worker visa points-based system. There are 2 options for meeting the financial requirement of this visa category: the sponsor certifying on the certificate of sponsorship that they will maintain and accommodate the applicant up to the end of the first month of their employment to an amount of at least £1,270, or the applicant is able to show he or she has funds of at least £1,270 for a consecutive period of 28 days prior to the date of the application. At One Law Chambers, our immigration solicitors and barristers regularly assist with making skilled worker visa applications. Whether you require expert immigration advice or an independent immigration assessment on your prospects of qualifying under this visa category, or if you are in need of professional immigration representation for making an application, our immigration solicitors and barristers can help you. Please check out our website at onelawchambers.com or give us a call for more information. Our contact details are listed in the description box below. If this video has been useful, which I hope it has, then please click like down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.